In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create segments in Google Analytics. By the end, you'll know exactly how to isolate the audiences and behaviors that matter most, so your reports become clearer and more actionable. Start by opening your Google Analytics account. Make sure you're in the correct property for the website or app you want to analyze. This keeps everything consistent as you build your segment and review the resulting data. Next, head to Admin Settings. You'll usually find this in the lower left corner of the interface, marked with a gear icon. The admin area is where configuration lives, so it's the right place to set up elements that shape how your data is organized and displayed. Inside admin, click Data Display. This section is designed to control how information is presented and filtered. Going here helps you access the options that let you define exactly which users, sessions, or events you want to focus on. Think of it as the staging area for your refined view of analytics. Now, click Segment. Segments let you carve out a subset of your data so you can compare results across different audiences or behaviors without changing your underlying tracking. Before you proceed, have a simple goal in mind, like analyzing visitors from a specific country, isolating mobile traffic, or focusing on users who come from a particular channel. A clear goal keeps your segment clean and useful. Click New Segment to begin building. This is where you choose the segment you want to create. As you make your selections, pick conditions that align with your objective. For example, you might choose device category if you want to separate mobile from desktop users, location if you're studying regional performance, traffic source if you're evaluating a campaign, or engagement-related attributes if you want to focus on users who interact more deeply. Keep your criteria straightforward and avoid piling on unnecessary filters. Overly complex segments can be hard to interpret and may result in very small sample sizes. Once you're satisfied with your selections, click Save. Your segment is now created and available for use in your analysis. From here, you'll be able to compare this segment against your overall data or other segments to see what stands out, such as differences in conversion rates or user behavior patterns. That's all there is to it. Open your account, go to Admin Settings, click Data Display, select Segment, create a new segment, choose your criteria, and save. Keep your goal clear, your conditions focused, and your insights will follow.